today is another GMC Acadia project. We have a noise in the front end. It's not real loud, but it's there, a little clunking noise. And I've checked, and it is not the sway bar links. They're a common noise problem in these cars, and it's not the sway bar bushings. So we're going to go after the lower front control arm bushings and see if that's where our noise is coming from. Not sure how well this will show up, but you can see this bushing's not in the center. It's pushed a little bit towards the inside, thinking that may be the problem, and it looks fairly straightforward to change. I also had to replace tires recently due to some road damage, but the inside of those tires were pretty worn off, and the steering wheel's not quite centered anymore. So I'm thinking these bushings may be worn and misplaced enough that it's causing the tire wear and the steering not to be centered. So let's get this thing jacked up and see how difficult these are to change. Okay, we're jacked up and on jack stands. I don't know if you can see, this is moved back more towards the center. This big nut on the front's a 24. These are 18s. Probably should have brought something to pry with. Since the suspension is hanging, there shouldn't be any force on this, so this should come off here. That was way easier than I expected. You can see that this thing is split down in there, and that is it's pretty spongy. It's moving quite a bit. It almost looks like, I don't know if you can see it, but down in there it's cracked also compared to the new one. I can't even budge that thing. Well, let's get it back in there. Repeat on the other side. This aggravating clip appears to be in the way on this side. Come on. So we're back on the ground, and that bushing is way more in the center than the old ones were. So I'm going to go for a drive and see if there's any improvement. Came back from a short test drive. That seemed to do the trick. A lot of that noise is gone. Front end seems a lot firmer. And that literally took me about 30 minutes. I probably spent more time jacking up the car and getting the jack stands than it did doing the job. And those were like $25 a piece for the bushings. You could probably do that with hand tools too, and nothing was super tight. I did notice a noise in the back, so I figured I'd take a quick look back here and see what that was. Felt like the exhaust banging into something, and it is. Banging into the spare tire, which is about to fall out. So I guess I need to work on tightening that thing up. For watching and subscribing. We have a cage match in our backyard. There are your stars. Say hi, guys.